Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I create a new shape. I'm going to I have something in my head. I don't know how well it's going to work until I start cutting, but it's going to be a couple captive rings, I think. Maybe some other techniques you might not have seen. So, let's see where this goes. Okay, I've got it trued up now. Thinking, I think I know where I'm gonna start. cut these two indicator rings. Okay, we're over here at the buffing machine. Now I get a lot of questions actually asked about my buffing setup. This is just an old Nova Comet. It's actually the first lathe I've ever bought. And it's set up with, I believe it's a Beal buffing system, except I swapped out most everything. This is a yellow stitched buff from Amazon. This is just a cotton, I believe it's cotton buff, and I treat it with brown compound from Harbor Freight. It's actually the one I like. Looks like this. See me put it on there. Same with the white, or this is the black. Same with the white. All these I get at Harbor Freight. Black goes on the yellow, the brown on the middle, the white on the end. And I do that before I buff. Anytime I start buffing, I do it. You know, some people might tell you need to use blue compound on plastic. I don't see a difference between the blue and the white, but if you're gonna buff, you also need one of these. Cleans up your wheels, takes off, like this one's starting to get a little crusty with white compound, so it needs cleaned up. Now these two are still pretty soft. They can take some more, but this one's getting a little crunchy, so I'm gonna use this on it, and then we'll start to buff the pen. And there you have it. Needs cleaned up a little bit because that white polish is quite hard to get off of there. Just needs tips. And then I'll be listing it on my Etsy shop, probably off for this Sunday's drop. Like I said, this does not like to come off sometimes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.